Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Cash App card to Apple Pay. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay. Adding your Cash App card to Apple Pay allows you to make contactless purchases in stores, pay with an application, and check out online anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Whether you're setting up your Cash App card for the first time or replacing an old card, this beginner-friendly guide will walk you through every step. So let's get started. Step one, you have to make sure you have an active Cash App card. Before adding your Cash App card to Apple Pay, make sure you have an active Cash App card linked to your Cash App account. To check, you have to open the Cash App, go or tap the Cash Card tab, confirm that your card is activated and unlocked. If you haven't ordered a Cash App card yet, you'll need to request one and activate it before adding it to Apple Pay. Step two, update your iPhone. Next, you have to make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To check, you have to open Settings, tap General, select Software Update, install any available updates. Now, using the latest software, ensure Apple Pay works properly. Step three, you need to open the Cash App. So you have to launch the Cash App on your iPhone. Sign in if necessary. From the home screen, tap the Cash Card tab located near the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see your Cash App card along with card setting and management options. Step 4, add your Cash App card to Apple Pay from Cash App. This is the easiest method. Inside the Cash Card section, tap the image of your Cash App card. Look for Add to Apple Pay. Tap it. Cash App will automatically open Apple Wallet and begin the setup process. Simply follow the on-screen instruction to continue. Now, step five, you have to verify your card. So, Apple may ask you to verify your Cash App card before adding it. Depending on your account, verification may happen automatically or require confirmation. So, you have to follow all prompts until you receive confirmation that your card has been successfully added. Step six, add the card manually through the Apple Wallet. This one is optional. So if you don't see the add to Apple Pay option inside Cash App, you can add the card manually. To do this, you have to open the wallet application, tap the plus button, choose debit or credit card, scan your Cash App card or enter the card details manually, follow the verification instructions. So once verified, your Cash App card will appear in the Apple Wallet. Step 7, set up your default payment card, which is optional. If you plan to use your Cash App card most often, you can make it your default payment method. Apple Wallet, touch and hold your Cash App card. Drag it to the front of your wallet. Apple Pay will automatically use that card first unless you choose another one during checkout. Step 8, you need to test Apple Pay. So now is the time to make sure that everything works well or everything is working. You can test Apple Pay by making a small purchase first at a contactless payment terminal, paying inside a supported application, completing an online checkout using Apple Pay. So if the payment goes through successfully, your Cash App card has been added correctly. Step 9, you have to manage your Cash App card in Apple Wallet. So after setup, you can always manage your card inside Apple Wallet. So you can view your card or you can remove the card, change your default payment card, update billing information if needed, add the card to the eligible Apple devices. Keeping your payment methods updated helps avoid declining transactions. Now, what are the common problems and fixes? So, if your Cash App won't add to PayPal, try the solutions. First, make sure your Cash App card is activated. Verify your identity and Cash App if requested. Ensure your iPhone has the latest iOS update. Check that you're signed in with your Apple account. Restart your iPhone and try again. Remove and re-add the card if it was previously linked. If the issue continues, contact Cash App support or Apple support for additional assistance. Now, for security tips to protect your account, you need to enable Face ID or Touch ID. Turn on two-factor authentication for your Apple account. Never share your Cash App PIN or login information and keep your Cash App card locked whenever you're not using it. if possible. Review transaction history regularly. So these simple steps can help keep your account secure. So, as a conclusion, that's how you add your Cash App card to Apple Pay. As you have seen, the process only takes a few minutes. Simply make your Cash App card active. So, you just have to open the Cash App or app wallet and then add your card. You need to complete the verification process and you're ready to make sure or ready to make secure contactless payments with Apple Pay. So basically, that's how easy it is. Again, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your iOS tool. Also, if you ever run into issues, you need to double check that your card is active, your iPhone is up to date, completed any required verification in both Cash App and Apple Wallet. So basically, that's it. And if you have any questions or if you're stuck on any step, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Cash App, Apple Pay, PayPal, and personal finance tutorials.